wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 6 best pool plasters. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6. Although GCM Firmer comes only in white, you can safely add cement colorants if you need something more lively. And because it uses a high-strength formula with strong bonding properties, you can expect your fix to last for a long time. It's freeze and thaw stable and comes in at a great price for the amount. However, it is tough to find in smaller sizes. At number 5, you can address a variety of woes with the Sidecrete combo pack, which includes 3 pounds each of plaster patch, tile grout repair and tile thinset. To use them, you'll have to lower the water level, but for the quality, it's worth that little inconvenience. It's packaged well for storage and good for divots up to ½ an inch wide. It's suitable for homeowner or professional use. Coming in at number 4 on our list. Technically, this Plus Epoxy putty set is not plaster, but if you have small cracks and chips that need attention, it can do the job. You aren't required to do any draining either, as it conveniently cures even when completely submerged. It's also good for fixing tile and molds well by hand. However, some find it too grey. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pool plasters, or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3. If you're in a hurry, you might opt for Easy Products 1FS. It boasts a fast set formula that's ready in just 4 hours, even in cold weather, so you can refill your pool relatively quickly. Not only that, but you can use it underwater as well. It comes in a bright white color and covers 1/3 of a square foot. It's simple but effective. At number 2, each batch of pool patch plaster repair features a blend of liquid bonder and pozzolan white cement, a mixture that's specifically formulated for strength. It cures fully in about 12 hours, so your repairs shouldn't be too time-consuming to wait for. It's good for covering delamination and easy to work with. It comes in a moderately sized 3-pound jug. And coming in at number 1 on our list, a container of Sider-crete 20 pounds should last you quite some time. This beefy bucket has enough product inside to cover 10 square feet, and powerfully since it's made with genuine marble for durability. All you have to do is add water and trowel it on. It dries very smoothly and won't shrink or crack. It's manufactured in the USA. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pool plasters, or simply click beneath this video.